Do you know the number one mistake in performance management? Most companies treat it like an annual chore, an awkward meeting, a form nobody wants to fill out, and zero real impact. Today, I'm going to give you 6 concrete tips that will transform how you manage performance, whether you run a single location or 100. Tip number 1, stop waiting for the annual review. By the time December rolls around, the problems you noticed in March are ancient history. The best operators give feedback continuously, weekly, even daily. Think of it as a living conversation, not a once-a-year event. Tools like Scoop make this effortless by surfacing performance insights in real time, so managers always know where they stand. No waiting required. Tip 2, replace gut feelings with data. I feel like Sarah's team is underperforming is not actionable, but Location B's conversion rate dropped 8% due to a scheduling overlap. That's something you can fix. Scoop eliminates the guesswork by pulling real operational data into every performance conversation. No opinions, just facts. Tip 3, codify what your best people know. Every company has that one manager who just gets it. The problem? Their expertise is locked in their head. When they leave, it walks out the door. Scoop captures those winning patterns, the scheduling tricks, the upsell timing, the Friday prep routine, and turns them into repeatable, automated playbooks that anyone can follow. Tip 4, don't just show the numbers, tell people what to do. Most BI dashboards dump a wall of charts and say good luck. That's not management, that's a data tour. Scoop goes further. When it detects an issue, it generates specific, role-based action plans in plain language. Shift the Tuesday opener to cover the 2 p.m. gap. Clear, actionable, done. Tip 5, close the loop. You gave feedback. You created a plan. But did it actually work? Most systems never check. The action item goes into a spreadsheet and dies there. Scoop closes the loop automatically. It tracks whether the corrective action moved the needle, proving a 14% margin lift wasn't just luck, but the result of a specific intervention. Tip 6, scale what works. If your Location A figured out how to cut food waste by 20%, why is Location B still throwing product away? Best practices shouldn't stay local. Scoop identifies winning patterns at one location and broadcasts them as organizational standards to every other site. One win becomes a company-wide improvement. So let's recap: continuous feedback, data over opinions, codified knowledge, actionable plans, closed loops, and scaled best practices. These 6 principles aren't just theory. They're the exact framework that top-performing organizations are using right now. If you want to see how Scoop can do this for your team, check the link in the description. And if this was helpful, share it with a colleague who's still stuck doing annual reviews. See you in the next one.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.